brand is set to release the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 Metallic Team Gold Pack this fall, offering both mid and low versions. Designed for today's preference for subtle luxury, these pairs bring back the sparkle of the lace bling era with updated elegance. Each pair features smooth sail leather bases with tumbled ivory overlays, accented in metallic team gold. The mid variation delivers a bolder aesthetic with prominent gold touches around the collar and heel, while the low leans toward a minimalist, more versatile style. A standout feature is the removable gold lace charms, a basketball and a Jumpman logo, adding a personalized glam element. Gold foil logos on the tongue and insole enhance the premium feel. Completing the look are light gum rubber soles that ground the overall palette. As sneaker culture continues embracing clean, stylish designs, this pack fits right in. Expect a release via Nike.com and select retailers this fall season.